Will you be monitoring the people on the camera as they pass through? To make sure no one steals anything or fakes out in the corner. But you'll also be a part of the show. It'll make it feel really authentic, I think. Now let me tell you about what's new. We found another set of drawings, always nice, and the Foxy head, which we think could be authentic. Then again, it might just be another crappy cosplay. And we found a desk fan, very old school, metal though. Watch the fingers.
Tidak ada guys.
Right now the place is basically just, flashing lights, moving props. I honestly thought we'd have more by now. We don't have something really cool by next.
Aduh, mulai kepala guys. Kenapa?
Around things.
Oke guys. Tadi.
But like I said, we're trying to track down a good lead right now. Some guy who helped design one of the buildings said there was like an extra room that got boarded up or something like that. So we're gonna take a peek and see what we can find. For now, just get comfortable with the new setup. You can check the security cameras over to your right with the click of that blue button. You can toggle between the hall cams, the mid cam. Then over to your far left, you can flip up your maintenance panel. Use this to reboot any system to make it offline.
Ada guys.
Make the place feel vintage. We may have overdone it a bit. Some of this equipment is barely functional.
Di tempatnya di sini.
I wasn't joking about the fire. That's the real risk. The most important thing you want to watch for is the ventilation. Look, this place will give you the spooks, man. And if you let that ventilation go offline, then you'll start seeing some crazy stuff, man. Keep that air flowing. Okay, keep an eye on things, and we'll try to have something new for you tomorrow night.
Lama nih. Spawn guys. Ayo guys. Oke guys. Udah. Di mana? Sini guys. Mana? Menang guys. Sudah menang. Oke, oh si Mengel guys. Tempatnya di mana ini? Oke, exit guys. Sudah. Oke. Aduh, tunggu. Dia dikagetin. Baret berapa ya?
Hey man, okay.
Sini guys. Tidak ada. Oke, sini tidak ada. Tangannya guys. Di mana ya? Oh, oke begitu.
Hello.
Tidak ada guys. Ada juga ya. Tidak ada.
Hello.
Oke guys.
Hello.
Aduh. Videonya tadi guys. Audionya guys. Mana ya? Mana guys? Tidak ada. Bukan guys. Oke. Oh di luar guys. Mana? Sebentar guys. Nggak ada. Ini lebih mau di sini guys. Apa tuh? Oke. Oh. Terus ini ada random baby guys. Aduh. Oke guys. Langsung clap. Nah, itu udah ya. Game over guys. Kalah. Guys, jadi episode kali ini segini aja guys. Oke. Video ini like video ini dan subscribe dan mantap. Oke, bye.